All right, you guys, I figure it's been a minute since I've given you an update on my studio. It really is just a big blank canvas with tons of potential. Lots and lots is going to be happening in this room and changing. I had told you on day one that, some windows are staying, some are going, some new doors will be going in. And Mike and I are just going to create a great space for me to be able to work, design, create, and play. So I just wanted to bring you up to speed and catch you up and let you see what's happening right now and where we are at on the progress with this as of today. We haven't spent a whole lot of time in this room just yet, but we finally had time to rent a masonry saw and start cutting out holes to replace windows and doors, opening up spaces. This right here is a window that we're going to be replacing, so we had to get that window out. The first one that you saw was another window that we are turning into a door. All right, so here I am with all my muscle and all my might helping bust out this cinder block that Mike just cut. I don't want to beat the window, so I'm just having to kind of take it easy, and he came over and had to give it a few swings, but we were able to get that window removed without breaking it. That was our goal. And you guys, the blue skies and green grass view out this window is so beautiful, and once it's cleaned up out there, it's going to be the most amazing sunset view ever out that window, and I cannot wait.
This much left, babe. This much left to do this whole wall right here.
You can do it.
And then the other side.
My
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
studio door going out the back.
Hallelujah.
So I can go out and prep tumblers and sand and do things.
This is the cut I've been looking for. Because it's the last one.
The last cut.
The last cut.
He's so stinking crazy. So he, of course, did the majority of the work here because that saw is so honking heavy. There's no way I could handle it. He just continued to bust out cinder block. We removed that window, and he just swung away at it until he had the biggest part of it knocked out. And of course, I couldn't let him have all the fun. I wanted in on the action too. Okay, so as you can see, that was a lot of fun, and I got a little bit excited, but I'm really thrilled to have this exterior door that will lead out onto our back patio where I can step out, enjoy the view, enjoy my coffee, and work. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to ring the notification bell for future updates on my studio space. If you haven't followed our Flipping the Farm vlog yet, please do so. And as always, thanks so much for watching.